For the number 7, we have 2x plus 4, x minus 6. Gagamit tayo ng full method. 2x times x is equal to 2x squared. Dahil naging x squared kasi yung exponent ng x ay may 1, kaya naging 2x squared. Then tatimes natin yung 2x negative 6 and equal to negative 12x. Tapos ita-times natin yung 4x, bali magiging 4x. Tapos ita-times natin yung 4 negative 6, bali magiging negative 24. Bali ang magiging 2x squared minus 8x negative 20 ay minus 24. Dahil din minus natin yung negative 12x plus 4x kasi yung negative plus positive is equal to negative, kaya naging negative 8x. Ang magiging sagot natin ay 4x minus 8.